questions of exercise 2.4. Question number 7 is Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material he buys 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. Then how much trouser material did he buy? The cost of shirt material is rupees 50. So the cost price of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter, and the cost price of trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. This is given in the question. Now what is the other condition that is given? For every 3 meter of shirt, if he buys length of shirt material is 3 meter of shirt material, that is 3x. For every 3 meter of shirt material he buys 2 meter of trouser material. So length of trouser material is x. So this is the cost and the length of the cloth. Now what is the other condition given? He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit. So if he buys for 50 rupees and then he is selling it for 12% profit. So what will be the SP of shirt? SP of shirt is equal to original price is 50. Now it is sold at 12% profit, means 12% more, that is 100 plus 12, that is 112% means upon 100. So we get 52s are. So what will be the cost here? 56 rupees. He buys for 50 rupees and he sells for 56 rupees. And the trouser material, SP of trouser is what percent? 10% profit. 10% profit means he buys for 90 rupees. 10% profit means 110 upon 100. That is, he sell it for rupees 99. So this is the cost price of trousers and this is the cost price of shirt. Now what is the total selling price? Is 36,600. Now see how much shirt he buy? 3x at the rate of 50 and he sells at the rate of 56. So let us find out the total selling price. Okay, total selling price is equal to total SP is equal to, what is the length of shirt? 3x. 3x into what is the price? 56 plus 2x into 99, which is equal to, let us multiply 56 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16x, plus when you multiply this 198x. This is the total SP. What is the amount he gets? 36 3600. Now from here when you add this 8 plus 8 16, 9 plus 1 10 plus 6 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 366 x is equal to 36600. From this you find the value of x, which is equal to 36,600 upon 366, which is equal to 100. This is the value of x. Now what is the question? How much trouser material did he buy? How much did he buy trouser material? 2x. So trouser material or length of trouser material is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 meters, which is equal to 200 meters. So the next question is, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. What is the relation given here? Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So whose age will you take as x or as the variable? Whose age? Son's age. Okay. So let the son's age is equal to x years. Now what will be his father's age? 3 times his age. So Aman's age is equal to 3 times x, that is 3x years. Now 10 years ago, what will be their ages? If you are 13 years now, what would be your age 10 years before? That means 10 to minus. Similarly here, if he is x years now, his age before 10 years will be x minus 10. And his father's age will be 3x minus 10. So, 10 years before, son's age is equal to x minus 10. And 10 years before, Aman's age is would be 3x minus 10. Now, there is a relation. He was 5 times his son's age. That is, Aman was 5 times his son's age. So, what is given in the question? Given 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by x minus 10. Now, solve the equation. So, 3x minus 10 is equal to, open the bracket, 5x minus 5 tens are 50. Now 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 50 plus 10. What is 3 minus 5? Minus 2x is equal to minus 40. So x is equal to minus 40 upon minus 2, which is equal to 20. What is x? X is the son's age. Therefore, the son's age is equal to 20 years. And what will be Aman's age? Aman's age is equal to 3x, that is 3 multiplied by 20, which is 60 years. So what is the age of Aman? Aman is 60 years old and his son is 20 years old now. That's all for today. The remaining questions we will do in the next class. Thank you.